I have made more than 2000% profit from Pepe Coin. I mean, Pepe Coin has given me more than 20 times my initial investment in just 15 days alone. I know you want to FOMO, but you probably don't know how to trade these coins. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how. But before I do that, I need to save this video for later and share it with your family and friends. So in order for you to buy Pepe Coin, the first thing you have to do is to create an account on Tapbit cryptocurrency exchange. To create an account, I have leave a link in the description below if you are seeing this video on YouTube. Then if you are seeing this video on Instagram or TikTok, check out the link on my bio and you are going to see Tapbit. Click on the link and create an account on Tapbit cryptocurrency exchange. So once you are able to create an account, the next thing you want to do is to deposit USDT so you could be able to buy Pepe Coin. So once you are able to deposit, the next thing you want to do is to click on the search button at the top right corner of your screen and type Pepe. And you are going to see Pepe USDT. Then you click on buy. Once you are able to click on buy, the next thing you want to do is to select the amount, that is the current trading price of Pepe. But in case you are not comfortable with the current price, you can set your desired price. Maybe if the price gets to drops, then it buys for you automatically. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to buy at the current market price. As such, I'm just going to click on the current price, which is 28811. Then the next thing I want to do is to slide this to 100%, meaning I want to buy it with the entire USDT I have currently on my Tapbit account. Then after that, I'm going to click on buy Pepe. Then I've been able to successfully buy Pepe. As you can see, if I now click on assets, then I click on spots, you are going to see that I have Pepe on my Tapbit account. Congratulations, you now know how to buy Pepe on Tapbit cryptocurrency exchange. Don't keep this video to yourself. Make sure you share it with your family and friends. If you are new to this channel, please join the family by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on post notification. Do well to give me a like and drop a comment below. See you in the next one. Bye.